Samajwadi Party's Rajya Sabha MP Ramji Lal Suman has once again made a controversial statement. This time for his remark on a recent rape incident. He is in the eye of storm. This involves a Dalit girl in Uttar Pradesh. Speaking to the media after meeting the victim's family, Suman was asked if his party chief Akhilesh Yadav will also visit the family. What he said is no less than an abject display of apathy. Seemingly dismissing the severity of the crime that took place on the 18th, he said it was not a big enough issue to merit Akhilesh's visit.
जहाँ कल अखिलेश जी आपसे मिलने के लिए आए और आप एक संदेश की तरह आए हैं, क्या राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष आपके इस पीड़ित परिवार से मिलने के लिए या क्या कोई मदद करेंगे? क्या आप बच्चों जैसी बातें करते हैं? कल वहाँ हम मिलने आए थे, आज हम आए हैं। पार्टी के महामंत्री हमारे पार्टी के सभी साथी हैं। इतना बड़ा मामला नहीं है। इस परिवार की जो मदद हमसे हो सकती है, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी की आवश्यकता नहीं है। इस परिवार की जो मदद हो सकती है हम जरूर मदद करेंगे और हमने कह दिया है कि परिवार के लोग हमारे संपर्क में रहें, जो अधिक से अधिक मदद हम कर सकते हैं जरूर करेंगे।
Now, the incident took place on the night of April 17th and 18th. The survivor, a 12-year-old Dalit girl, was allegedly abducted and raped by Omveer Lodhi, a resident of the same village, while her father was away at a feast. Cops found bloodstains at the site where the minor was raped. The accused has now been arrested.
तारीख को सुबह हमें थाना थिरागढ़ पर सूचना मिली थी कि एक नाबालिग बच्ची के साथ दुष्कर्म की घटना हुई है। रात में जब ये बच्ची अकेले सोई हुई थी अपने घर के बाहर, इसके माता पिता नहीं थे, तभी एक अज्ञात व्यक्ति द्वारा इसको उठाकर ले जाया गया और गांव के बाहर ले जाकर इसके साथ दुष्कर्म की घटना की गई थी। और इसमें सीसीटीवीज़ वगैरह देख के इस एक व्यक्ति की पहचान की गई थी, ओमवीर नामक, जिसकी गिरफ्तारी के लिए हम लोगों ने कई टीमें गठित की थी। ये व्यक्ति लगातार फरार चल रहा था और हमारी टीमों द्वारा इसमें सफलता हासिल करी है।
The BJP has called it yet another display of the ladke hain galti ho jati hai tendency. A reference to the boys will be boys statement by Mulayam Singh Yadav. The party is also questioning Akhilesh Yadav's PDA hypocrisy. It says that the same Dalits who vote the party are now victims of its apathy.
समाजवादी पार्टी की पुरानी पद्धति रीति नीति रही है कि लड़के हैं, लड़कों से गलतियां हो जाती हैं। रेपिस्टों को लेकर के पहले भी नरम दिल रहे हैं, मुलायम रहे हैं और इसीलिए समाजवादी पार्टी के लिए रेप एक छोटी घटना होगी। इसीलिए रेप को लेकर के समाजवादी पार्टी के सांसद रामजी लाल सुमन के इस बयान से कोई हैरानी नहीं होनी चाहिए। लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी की योगी आदित्यनाथ सरकार ने इन रेपिस्टों पर आज बहुत कठोरता से कार्रवाई की है और इस मामले में भी 48 घंटे के भीतर ही मुख्य आरोपी की गिरफ्तारी करने का काम किया है।
While Akhilesh Yadav's party talks about PDA, BJP says that they seek Dalit votes. But when it comes to talking about the community, about justice for people of the community, the Samajwadi Party leaders indulge in such controversial statements. Samajwadi Party has hit back at the critics, calling it a failure of law and order under the Yogi government. Samajwadi Party asks, why hasn't Yogi Adityanath visited the victims yet?
पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश में हर दिन सुबह शाम दलित बेटियों के साथ रेप की घटनाएं। योगी आदित्यनाथ जी की सरकार महिलाओं के लिए सबसे अनसेफ स्टेट है और हम ही समझते हैं कि आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री सुनने में आया है कि वो शाहजहां का जो ताजमहल देखने जा रहे हैं। तो हम चाहते हैं कि आप मोहब्बत के उस दुनिया के अजूबे को देखिए ही, लेकिन मुख्यमंत्री जी से हम निवेदन करेंगे कि वो जो दलित बेटी है जिसके साथ नाइंसाफी हुई है, रामजी लाल सुमन वहां पहुंचे हैं, आप भी पहुंचिए।
All right, Pradeep Dutta is joining us on the broadcast with more detail. Ramji Lal Suman is known for these controversial statements, and this time around, what he said actually is, mocking the plight of the victim when he says कि ये कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है.
Very insensitive and a shocking statement came from Ramji Lal, because when he was asked a question that Akhilesh Yadav will be going to meet the victim's family, and that was the time he said that rape of a Dalit girl is not that big a deal. So after that we have seen that there has been a massive outrage, and already the BJP has lambasted Ramji Lal as well as Akhilesh Yadav Samajwadi Party for giving such controversial statement. They said this is not first time that they have given a controversial statement. In the past also, whether it was Akhilesh Yadav when one of the Samajwadi Party leader was involved in a rape case, at that time Akhilesh Akhilesh Yadav had gone to the extent of saying that the DNA test of that victim should be done. And not only that, Akhilesh Yadav's father, Mulayam Singh Yadav, had also once said that ladke hai, galti ho jati hai. That's what actually the statement he had given. So every time they had been trying to rub salt on the wounds of the Dalit people who had been the victim of such cruelty and the brutality and such crime. So they are only there to get vote, but when it comes for the justice, they hardly utter a word. So I asked this question, in fact, to Ramji Lal also. Ramji Lal is not ready to apologize. He said that don't go by the what actually I said, go by the sentiments and the emotion I carry because I had gone to meet the family. Why the Yogi Adityanath has not gone to meet the victim family? So they are in fact trying to put question on Yogi Adityanath not going and meeting the family. But Yogi Adityanath has already taken action against the culprit. He has ensured that the culprit responsible for this heinous crime is arrested. But unfortunate thing is that these people have no problem when they go with the folded hands to get votes from all these people. But they have a problem when it is about the justice, and that's what actually the journalist had asked the question, and a very shocking and insensitive remark and a statement came from his side. Even right now also, he is not feeling apologetic about this.
Yes.
He is not ready to apologize because the very pointed and direct question
in fact, you confronted him. Stay on with us, Pradeep. Pradeep confronted Ramji Lal Suman, the Samajwadi Party leader, over his controversial and insensitive remarks, and he in fact downplayed the entire incident. Once again, he remains brazen, does not want to apologize. Pointed questions were put to him about his insensitivity towards the rape victim.
आपको लगता नहीं कि आपको बहुत ही ध्यान रखना चाहिए एज ए मेंबर पार्लियामेंट कि आपको ऐसी स्टेटमेंट नहीं देनी चाहिए थी? छोटी बात,
सवाल भाषा का नहीं, सवाल भाव का था। हम उस परिवार के साथ हैं, वाल्मीकि परिवार के साथ हैं, पूरी मदद करेंगे। समाजवादी पार्टी पूरी तरह उनके साथ है और ये मामला बहुत गंभीर है।
अगर मीडिया ने आपसे पूछ भी लिया था अखिलेश यादव आते तो उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अगर अखिलेश यादव आके लोगों से मिलते, क्या वोट के टाइम लोगों से मिलना है?
कुल मिलाकर के ये सवाल जो हमसे पूछ रहे हैं, वो ये सवाल योगी आदित्यनाथ से क्यों नहीं पूछते? क्यों नहीं जाते? वो उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री हैं और पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश में अपराधों की बाढ़ सी आई हुई है दलितों पे। अखिलेश यादव भी हस्तवाल पर जाएंगे। मैं पार्टी के जनरल सेक्रेटरी हूँ, पार्टी के एमपी हूँ, पार्टी के प्रतिनिधि के तौर पर वहां गया था। तो कुल मिलाकर के ये वो लोग हैं जो योगी आदित्यनाथ से नहीं कह सकते कि वो आए इस घटनाओं पर। आप अनावश्यक रूप से एक बात को तूल दे रहे।
क्या वो छोटे हो जाते हैं अगर वो विक्टिम के घर पे जाते हैं? तो छोड़िए, योगी आदित्यनाथ, टू रॉन्ग कैन नॉट मेक वन राइट। अगर वो चले जाते हैं तो क्या वो छोटे हो जाते हैं? आप वोट के लिए सिर्फ जाएंगे हाथ जोड़ने के लिए, तो अगर कोई विक्टिम है तो वहां नहीं जाएंगे आप? क्या
जहाँ जहाँ पीड़ित हैं, हम कल भी गए हैं, जहाँ जहाँ सूचनाएं हमें मिलती हैं, जहाँ जहाँ जो पीड़ित लोग हैं, सबके पास हम जा रहे हैं, कमजोर वर्गों के पास जा रहे हैं। चूंकि ये परिवार दलित परिवार था, वाल्मीकि परिवार था, उसके पास जाना हमारा फर्ज था। हम लोग वहाँ गए थे और समाजवादी पार्टी पूरी तरह उनके साथ है।
क्या आप अपोलोजाइज करेंगे, माफी?
मैं सब हमने कोई बात नहीं करना चाहता।
बिल्कुल नहीं, आप इस पर कुछ भी बोलेंगे?
तो आप क्या फालतू बातें करते?
नहीं, आपको लगता नहीं कि एज ए रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आपको ऐसी भाषा का प्रयोग नहीं करना चाहिए? सर, आपको लगता नहीं है कि आपको बहुत ध्यान रखना चाहिए ऐसी भाषा का इस्तेमाल करने से पहले? क्योंकि आप लोग कैसी एग्जाम्पल सेट कर रहे हैं? आपको लगता नहीं एक रॉन्ग एग्जाम्पल आप सेट कर रहे हैं? सर,
मैंने एक बार नहीं कई बार आपसे कह दिया, मानवीय संवेदना के सवाल पर पूरी समाजवादी पार्टी गंभीर है, हम भी गंभीर हैं। हमारा मकसद किसी की भावना को आहत करने का नहीं था। पूरी तरह उस परिवार के साथ हम खड़े हैं, पूरी मदद करेंगे।
माफी नहीं मांगेंगे? So we had been talking to the member parliament. We asked him a very straight and direct and pointed question. Are you going to apologize for the statement you had given? Because he had said it is not a big deal. He said that he simply just got caught up and he just went inside the room. He said that why you are not asking this question to Yogi Adityanath, why you want that Akhilesh Yadav? Because I have been asking very straight question that it's not only that only for the votes you'll be going and asking your leaders to be there. Because if somebody has been a victim, you should have also gone to their place also. And it's the duty of Akhilesh Yadav. Akhilesh Yadav would not have become smaller had he gone to that place. Pradeep Datta with Pankaj for Times Now.
All right, Pradeep continues to be with us. In that confrontation sequence, Pradeep, one thing was evident that Ramji Lal Suman made it clear that he will not apologize. He continued to remain brazen, kept on saying that, yes, me and my party, we stand with the victims and we will visit every victim whenever we, hear about such incidents taking place. But no apologies for his statement.
Yes, I asked him a very straight question. I said, you feel you want to apologize for kind of a statement which you had given. You said that this is not a big deal. He said that you look at the sentiments and the emotion and don't go by the words. And when I asked him a question, because why you only want to go and meet such people when you want vote and during election time only? Akhilesh Yadav would not have become smaller and his image would not have been belittled had he gone and met the family members of the victim. What's the big deal about that? Because at the end of the day, he's also a representative, and you're also a representative. Why you are making a big deal about all these things? So he was completely defined. Neither he wanted to apologize. He was completely defined, and he kept on justifying that why Akhilesh Yadav did not go. He said, I as a representative had been representing the party, so I had gone to meet the victim family. We stand with the victim family. But why he used that language? Again, there was no apology from his side. That clearly indicates, because apology has to come from here. Because if you have said something wrong, because to err is a human being, and you should always have the guts to say sorry if you have said something wrong, because anybody can commit a mistake. But here you can see that, he was completely defined. He did not say sorry. And I kept on asking him very straight question. He, instead of responding to my question, he said that why you don't ask this question to Yogi Adityanath. See, I'm talking about apples. He wants to talk about the oranges. And that is what exactly was happening. So
All right.
Finally, he got so angry. He got up and he just started moving towards his room. And
All right, Pradeep, thank you for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you on that issue. And we also have to track what the party chief has to say about it.